Section 4.3 RA4, what is the coefficient of determination for data set B? So let's go ahead and use StatCrunch. So we're looking at data set B, so when we label our columns, we have B and then B here for X and Y. So we're going to go ahead and select Stat and then select Regression, and we're going to go to Simple Linear. Now once we select Simple Linear, we're going to make sure that we have data set B that represents the X column, and then data set B that represents the Y column, and then we're going to go ahead and select Compute. And then up here you can see that there is the correlation coefficient, which is given as 0.9733088. So let's go ahead and discuss how that works here. Okay, so if we take the value of R, okay, so the first step here is if we take R, we take that number 0.9733088. The coefficient of determination is represented by capital R squared, which means we take the correlation coefficient and then square that. So if we take this number that we have here for R, okay, and then we take that number and then we square it, then we get the coefficient of determination, which is 0.947330002. So now we want to change this into a percent. So we need to move this decimal place to the right 2 times and then round it to the nearest tenth. So we can say that the coefficient of determination for data set B is 94.7%. And so what this means is that 94.7% of the variation in distance is explained by the least squares line. Now, if we took 100% and subtracted that 94.7%, we would get 5.3% that's left over. Therefore, we would say that 5.3% of the variation in distance is explained by other factors. Now, we can also check our results. So if you take a look here, we already have R squared listed here. R squared is at 0.947330002 on our StatCrunch data.